This is a screening that you can get from Bird Be Gone online. See, it has a steel in there, and it's basically laced with a Kotex that will cover everything, plastics, prevent rust and rotting. It's very good for doing rat exclusions, keeping rats out of home. Like I said, you can get it on the website Bird Be Gone. And if you're sealing your home for rats, you just grab a pair of metal shears and basically cut this in the area you need to cut it. And for the fit, whatever area you're trying to fit, make sure it doesn't obstruct any doorways or anything. You can still open and shut the doors properly. But as you can see, you can't fit your fingers through this. If you can't fit your fingers through, the rodents aren't going to be able to get through this. This actually bends really well too. Just like that. So works really good for putting it around pool equipment. And this is also a product that I would recommend if you see anybody using steel wool or spray foam to seal your house for rats. I would definitely think twice about that. This is what you want to use. Loctite, all-purpose weather conditions material, crystal clear, so you're not going to have any of that staining that you get from spraying foam all over a home, which actually stains the stucco and just looks really tacky and ugly. And after about 2 years, to around about 2 years, the foam will wind up basically just disintegrating and decaying and falling apart. And even before that, if there's no steel in there and they put in spray foam just to tack it in or just to hold it in, that screen's going to eventually pop off, and or the rat's going to chew that insulation off, just like it would with the condensation lines for your AC going into your home from the exterior, and get right back into the house. So like I said, use your Loctite power grab, use your screening from Bird Be Gone. You can order rolls of this, small rolls of it, large rolls of this, as much as you want. This also works really good. This is the same stuff they use. If you look on the Bird Be Gone website, this is the same kind of material they use to actually keep out birds too as well, for excluding birds out of eaves that come together, as well as using this to seal up areas if you have wildlife coming through too as well. There's multiple uses you can use for this. You got a lot of rabbits in the yard, you want to dig a couple feet down, bury some of this screen, you get a nice little longevity with this, and it's gonna be a lot better than trying to do it with chicken wire or something like that, where not only the snakes can still get through, but the rats can get through too as well. So it's a good barrier for screening areas, garage doors, eaves. What other uses for this? Oh yeah, let's not forget the most important use for this. It's your solar panels. If you buy solar panels and you do not purchase Bird Be Gone products with your solar panels, I will pretty much guarantee that you're going to have pigeons underneath your solar panels defecating and pooping and laying their eggs. And once the pigeons start doing that, the eggs, the feces starts rolling off the top of the house from the wind. The dogs start eating it. The feces will make the dogs sick. It's highly toxic. So if you are going to get solar panels, get it closed with this. If you don't get it closed with this, on all the edges and all the sides where it's accessible and open for the birds, then I guarantee you're going to have birds underneath there at one time or another. And you're going to have to probably pay a couple $1,000s to have somebody install this up on your solar panels. You can get all the stuff that the people do this professionally with at the website Bird Be Gone. So please check it out, and stay tuned for the next videos.